Hello, my loves. Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You guys, look at that color. Look how the curls are popping. This crochet is Ziggy Curl by Model, and it is Ziggying for me, sweethearts. Stay tuned, and I'll show you just how to get this done. Subscriber of the week goes to, and I thank you. Okay, let's just get right into it, my loves. I took the liberty of doing my hair the night before. Why? So it will take the tension off your hair when you are crocheting your hair in. All my products are going to be listed in the description box below. You guys, I am oiling the heck out of my head. I'm going to do this with 3 different oils 3 times because I want my hair to be nice and oiled and greased underneath the crochet, because we're not going to be able to get to it throughout the hairstyle. So make sure you're oiling and greasing your scalp to the max. Make sure you're massaging it in and rubbing it in to get it down and deep inside your pores for growth, sweethearts. Now this braid spray by Shine & Jam, I recommend you get this throughout all of your hairstyles during braids. If you want that release, if you want the tension off your head, this spray will do the trick. I'll leave it description box below, sweethearts. Okay, I got this at my local beauty supply store. It's by Model. Again, it's Ziggy Curl. And I got it. It says 99J. Sweethearts, the bomb. And I have the other one in OT530. They're similar in color, but one is ombre. So that's why I'm going to blend that ombre at the top for the front of my hair. You guys, it's going to be so gorgeous. Please stay tuned. You guys, the hair texture on this is phenomenal. If you have 4C hair, this will blend perfectly well with your hair. Starting off with the first method, you're going to put the needle underneath your braid. You're going to latch your hair onto it. You're going to close that up. You're going to pull it through. And then when you're about to tie it, you're just going to grab it one time and then twist it and then pull it into it again and then pull it down. That is the first and easy method for crocheting hair. Starting off with the second method, it is similar to the first method. The only difference is when we get to the end, after we knot it the first time, we're going to grab one piece of the hair. So there's 2 pieces of the hair. We're going to grab one piece and then we're going to tie that into a knot. So as you can see here, we're going to grab one piece of that hair, separate that, and then pull that and tie that into a knot. Simple, easy, and it's well preserved. This hair is not coming out, I'm telling you. So I'm comfortable with this method right here by pulling it together. I think it stays in that way. It will not move. It won't do anything. So you guys get comfortable with whatever method you like and feel free to do that one throughout your hairstyle. I'm going to show you a quick method. If your hair is really thick, instead of going underneath the braid, you're going to go in between your braid and then you're going to tie your knots. That way, believe me, it's not going to be too bulky. It's not going to slip out in the future. It's going to be perfect for thick hair by going in between the braid instead of under it. One of my favorite crochet methods is the invisible knotless one. You're going to put the hair underneath it. You're going to hold on to one piece. You're going to grab a piece and you're going to tie a knot with that piece and then tie all of that, leaving the knot underneath your braid. That is considered the invisible knot. Once you get the hang of the invisible knot, it's going to slide like butter. It's going to be very quick. It's going to be easy. You're going to probably want to do your whole head this way, but I like to do the front of my head in invisible knot. Sweethearts, when we get to the perimeter, the front part of your hair, where we're about to blend, you want to make sure you're pulling apart some thin pieces of hair so it won't look too bulky when you're trying to blend. So make sure you're just thinning the hair out, like one piece of hair. You can break it into 4 pieces and then put that around your perimeter. Loves, when you braid your hair or twist your hair the night before, it takes the tension off and it takes away time. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you have someone. If you can't braid your hair up, ask someone else to do it for you, but try to do it the night before. So next time you do it, it will be just as fast and as quick as I did mine. This only took under 2 hours, sweethearts. That is it, and that is all. Run your fingers through it. This is your time to grab some scissors and get to cutting if you like. I left it because it's beautiful. You guys, I ain't even gonna lie, this has become my favorite product. It smells good. It's actually working wonders for my hair. You guys remember, it's all gonna be linked in the description box below. It's coconut curling cream, and I'm also adding this setting mousse by Shine and Gem as well. You guys, I'm just getting my edges ready for the blend. This is just another method. There's so many methods to blend your hair together, but I like this one as well. So after twisting up both sides, we're going to add your favorite edge control, and this black control is my favorite. So go ahead and add just a little bit on each side, and then we're just going to blend our edges in. We're just going to slay our edges and make it look to where it has a natural look to it. That's the whole part of blending, is you want to make sure it looks like your hair. It's natural looking. This is also a routine that I do every night after, the day is over. I just grab a scarf, tie my edges down, and then I'll put a bonnet on for bedtime. And these are the finished results, my sweetie pies. Look how beautiful this is. The hair holds together. It's light. It feels beautiful. It feels like it's my natural hair. You guys, it's that magnificent. I'm not even gonna lie. You guys, get this hair, do this hairstyle, and you tell me what you think about it. Thanks so much for tuning in, my loves. I love you, even if I don't know you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.